I'd like to give a little demo how to use this new program I'm learning. It's called CAMBAM. I'm using it to draw a part that I want to machine out on CNC machine, eyes for singing Christmas tree. First thing you need to do is define how big a piece of stock you are using. So go click on machining, down to stock size, use 8-inch wide, 16-inch high, and the piece of plastic I'm using is an 1/8 inch. That'll be 0.125. Okay, the shape of my eye for my singing Christmas tree is going to be an ellipse. So let's draw an ellipse. Going to draw, more, ellipse. Now you need to hit escape. Get out of the ellipse mode. Now we have our first ellipse. That's going to be the outer edge of the eye. Now I need another ellipse where I'm going to draw or drill holes to put the LEDs in. So we're going to draw, more, ellipse. To move that into position, press shift, move that into position. Looks like it's just a little bit big, so if you go into edit, transforms, resize, we'll try that. Oh, we'll keep that one. Move that into position. Could be a little bigger. This is just a demo. Now we want to drill holes on this ellipse we just drew. We're going to draw, point list, divide geometry, and we'll put about 50 points on here. This is where we're going to want to drill our holes for the LEDs. If you double click on it, again, now you can drag these points to wherever you want them. So we'll just take that one, move it down, move this one down a little bit. And it's probably a little bit too big, so we can move all these in a little bit. That's pretty good. I'll go back into point list, divide geometry. We'll probably want about 20 holes on this. Alright, that looks pretty good. Now we have our point list of where we want to drill holes. If this was the actual part I was going to machine, I would put another 1 or 2 lines of LEDs in the center here, but this is just a demo. So if you click on the point list and go into machining, I want to drill holes, depth increment, 0.06825, 1/16 of an inch. Target depth, you want to go down about just through the stock. Drilling method, spiral, hole diameter. LEDs are 0.188. When we're finished drilling a hole, we want to come up to 0.25. My tool diameter is 0.118. That looks good. I'm going to do this other point list. Same thing, machining, drill, come down 625, target depth 28, spiral hole diameter 0.188, come up to 5, tool diameter 0.118. Now that we set up our machining operations, we're going to want to see what toolpath looks like. These are the paths. You start out here and drill these holes, cut the outline, leaving the taps to hold the part in place. Next we want to generate reduce Gcode. Let's take a look at our Gcode that the program generated. These are the points that it's going to send to the machine to tell it to cut that profile and drill all these holes. A lot of coordinates. I made some changes to the drawing. I added some more holes in the center for LEDs. I generated some new Gcode. Now I'm going to take that file down to the CNC machine and cut out the part.